हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, लास्ट लेक्चर में मैंने यहाँ तक पहुँचा था और अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो है वो वीडियो डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया। सो मैं यहाँ से कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ। तो I इज इक्वल टू, आप देख सकते हैं ये लिखा हुआ है 3/2 कांस्टेंट है, इसलिए आप इसको बाहर कर सकते हैं। और यहाँ लिखा हुआ है 2x + 2 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x प्लस 3 dx, this is -5 x square plus 2x plus 3. Here you can use the substitutions. Here we get x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to t square. On differentiating we will get 2x plus 2 into dx is equal to 2d dt. On substitution we get, what will we get? This is equal to integration 3/2 is the constant term, so we have to write 3/2 here. In place of this you can write t square, and 2x plus 2 into dx you can write 2d dt. So here t is square root of t square and the remaining terms becomes 2t dt. So it is equal to 2t dt minus 5, and here we have to write the sum of two perfect square. So we have to write this x plus 1, the whole square of x plus 1, we will get x square plus 2x plus 1, and extra will be 2, so it will be right square root of 2, the square of the square root. This is dx. One of the integral we will use the substitutions, and other we use the making of perfect square. So here 2 and 2 cancel out, so 3, this becomes t square dt minus 5, and we directly use the formula. So here we can write x plus 1 divided by 2 into the square root of x square plus a square. So you can write x plus 1 का whole square plus root 2 का square plus half of a square, means into, you can write 2 half of a square into ln mod x. In place of x you can write x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 का whole square plus root 2 का square, bracket modulus close, bracket close, big bracket close, and lastly put the constant of dx. On simplifying this we will get 3, the differentiation of t square is t cube by 3 minus 5, here x plus 1 divided by 2. In place of this you can write x square plus 2x plus 3, 2 and 2 cancel out, so it becomes ln mod x plus 1 into plus x square plus 2x plus 3, modulus close, big bracket close, plus close. 3 and 3 cancel out, and lastly put the value of t. So in place of t you can write x square plus 2x plus 3 to the power 3/2 minus 5, big bracket x plus 1 by 2 square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus ln mod x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 3 modulus close, the bracket close, plus constants. And hello students, you can see this is the solution. Yeah, this is the evaluation of the integral as we are taken in the last lecture. So this is the solution, this is the evaluation. So don't be afraid, don't be panic. If you have to evaluate this type of integral, then you use the strategy, you use the rule, and boldly face it. you will get that destination and you will get the final answer. Hello students, now you can see in the right hand side of this board there are lots of problems are written on this board, and now we are going to evaluate this integral. But here we can directly use the 9 special integrals. Before the use of the 9 special integrals, we have to use some suitable substitutions. On using some suitable substitutions, you will be able to find the integral of the given integrations. So you can see, now we will take the number first, the equation first, the number first. Evaluation I is equal to integration of 1 by 1 minus e to the power 2x with respect to x. Here we substitute 1 minus e to the power 2x is equal to t square. You already known about these questions. You have already seen in the last lecture. So here you can see that 1 minus, we can let 1 minus e to the power 2x is equal to t square. On differentiating we will get 0 minus e to the power 2x into 2 dx is equal to 2t dt. So we can cancel out the term 2 on the both sides. So here in place of dx you can write minus t dt divided by e to the power 2x. You can write in the place of e to the power 2x is equal to 1 minus t square. So here we can write minus t dt divided by 1 minus t square. कहाँ से? तो from 1. And this is number 2. Now we use equation 1 and equation 2 in alpha. Now we use 1 and 2 in कहाँ? Alpha. We will get I is equal to integration of, in place of dx you can write minus t dt upon 1 minus t square. In place of this you can write t square. On simplifying this you will get simply t. And both t and t are common in numerator and denominator, so we can cancel out this term. After cancelling out this term, the remaining terms is now minus the negative sign in the denominator, we will get dt upon t square minus 1. In place of 1 we can write 1 square. So hello students, you can see here this is the type of the 9 special integrals. This is actually 1 upon x square minus x square. And what will be the its integral? So you can already see in the last lecture that this is equal to 1 by 2a. In place of a you can write 1. So 1 by 2a ln mod x. In place of x you can write t. This is t minus 1 upon t plus 1. But lastly we have to replace t in terms of x. So in place of t you can write the square root of 1 minus e to the power 2x. So finally you can write 1 by 2 ln mod square root of e 1 minus e to the power 2x minus 1 and 1 minus e to the power 2x plus 1 plus constant. So you can see the final answer or final integral of this given integrations. So here we can use the 9 special integrals. But before using the 9 special integrals, we have to substitute some suitable substituents. So whenever you use substitutions, you can freely use and then use the concept whichever is going to be used. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल यूज कर रहे हैं तो करना ही करना है, लेकिन उसके अलावा भी कोई अगर आपका कोई एप्लीकेशंस कोई कॉन्सेप्ट यूज हो रहा है तो आपको आपको उसको यूज करना है। जैसे यहाँ करने का मतलब ये हुआ कि जब आप 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल कर रहे हैं तो डायरेक्ट तो आप 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल पे नहीं पहुंच रहे, उससे पहले आपको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूशन लगाना है। तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगर आप 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल यूज कर रहे हैं तो 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल ही यूज करना है, मतलब वो तो करना ही करना है, लेकिन उससे पहले अगर आपका कोई और भी मेथड्स यहाँ अप्लाई हो रहा है तो उसको भी करना है। ठीक है, तो आई होप कि आप समझ गए होंगे। अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं। हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप देख सकते हैं कि ये इंटीग्रल आपके सामने रखा हुआ है। तो हमको पता है कि हमको 9 स्पेशल इंटीग्रल यूज करना है, लेकिन उससे पहले हम लोग यहाँ क्या यूज करेंगे, सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूज करेंगे। तो आप देख सकते हैं ऊपर में 2x और हमको पता है x स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएशन 2x होता है, इसीलिए यहाँ हम x स्क्वायर को t मानेंगे। यहाँ हम करने क्या जा रहे हैं, लेट x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू t। जब हम x स्क्वायर को t मानेंगे तो डिफरेंशिएट करने पर हमको मिलेगा 2x dx इक्वल टू dt, जो कि नंबर 2 हो गया। ये इक्वेशन अल्फा है। अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यूजिंग 1 and 2 इन कहाँ, इन अल्फा, तो आपका जो इंटीग्रेशन है वो क्या हो जाएगा, I is equal to integration of, in place of 2x dx you can write dt, simply write dt, in place of this you can write 1 minus t square. So here you can see that this is quadratic expression, and you can use, make it as the sum of two perfect square before going to use the 9 special integrals. So here we can write dt upon square root of 1 minus t square plus t. Can we write this? Can we write this? Yes, we can write like this. dt 1 minus here you can write t square plus 2 into t into half plus 1 by 4. So hello students, you can see here this is the extra minus 1 by 4. So you have to manage. So we have to write plus 1 by 4, या आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 by 4 प्लस, और ऑलरेडी लिखा था यहाँ पे प्लस 1 और यहाँ है माइनस। इसका मतलब आपने माइनस 1 by 4 लिखा तो आपको मैनेज करने के लिए प्लस 1 by 4 लिखना ही नहीं। अब आप देख सकते हैं कि ये dt हो गया और इधर जो है 5 by 4 हो गया, तो इसको आप लिख सकते हैं रूट 5 by 2 का होल स्क्वायर, और यहाँ आप लिख सकते हैं t प्लस 1 by 2 का होल स्क्वायर, और इस पूरे को आप स्क्वायर रूट में, तो आपके पास से कौन सा फॉर्मूला हो गया, आपके पास फॉर्मूला हो गया 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट ए स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर। इसका मतलब आप साइन इनवर्स वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लगा सकते हैं। तो आपका जो आंसर हो जाएगा वो हो जाएगा साइन इनवर्स एक्स, एक्स की जगह में लिखना है तो t प्लस हाफ एक्स अपॉन ए की जगह में लिखना है तो रूट 5 by 2 और प्लस कांस्टेंट टर्म। आप चाहे तो इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए, तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा साइन इनवर्स 2t प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई रूट 5 प्लस कांस्टेंट टर्म्स, और फाइनली आप t की जगह में एक्स स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं। तो आंसर हो जाएगा साइन इनवर्स 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई रूट 5 प्लस कांस्टेंट टर्म c. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर, you can see here. So simple, you can deal this type of problem by using some suitable substitutions, and then you have to you will see that one of the 9 special integral is used in this section. Then which of the 9 special integral is to be used, you can easily use, and likewise you can solve this type of problem. So hello students, अब हम लोग थर्ड नंबर क्वेश्चन की तरफ मूव करते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरह का इंटीग्रल है। तो हम लोग यहाँ क्या करेंगे, हम लोग देखते हैं 1 माइनस a टू दी पावर 2x, और हमको पता है क्वाड्रेटिक लाना है, इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं a टू दी पावर x को d मानते हैं। ये आपको सोचना पड़ेगा, इसको मान मानो, इसको डिफरेंशिएट ऑन डिफरेंशिएशन CAT, we will get क्या मिलेगा? a to the power x का डिफरेंशिएशन होता है a to the power x into ln a is equal to हो जाएगा dt by dx. तो यहाँ आप dx यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. So therefore आप a to the power x dx की जगह में dt upon ln a लिख सकते हैं. ये नंबर 2 हो गया और ये नंबर आपका क्या हो गया? अल्फा हो गया. अब दो नंबर और एक नंबर को आप यूज करते हैं कहाँ पर? अल्फा नंबर यूजिंग 1 and 2 in alpha. तो I becomes कितना हो जाएगा? In place of this you can write dt upon ln a, and in place of this you can write 1 minus t square. Because ln a is constant, so we can take out the constant ln mod a. ln is simply ln a, or here you can write dt upon 1 minus t square plus square. So again we use the 9 special integral formula, one of the 9 special integral formula. So finally you can write sin inverse t plus constant term c. In place of t you can write a to the power x. So finally will be ln a sin inverse a to the power x plus constant term c, and this is the final answer. So hello students, you can see here these are not the rocket science to deal with this type. There are simply some methods, some concepts which we have already known, which we are discussing. If you know the process, the strategy, then you can easily evaluate this type of integral. And this is number 4, and here is the integral. You can easily see that if you put and because we have to write a quadratic equation here, and you can see here you can see e to the power 2x is present, which is written as e to the whole square of a to the power x. So to take it as a quadratic expressions, we have to make e to the power x equal to. On differentiating we will get e to the power x dx is equal to dt, and this is alpha. Using 1 and 2 in alpha we get क्या मिलेगा? तो I is equal to, in place of e to the power x dx we will get dt, and here we write 5 minus 4t minus t square. Now this is the quadratic expression, and you have to write this quadratic expression as the sum of two perfect square. So you can see here you can see here how can we convert this into the sum of two perfect square. So look at 5 minus t square plus 4t square root of this. Can we write? Yes, we can write. Integration dt upon 5 minus, here we can write t square plus 2 into t into 2. In place of b you can write 2, so here we have to write what? 4. And minus 5 is written as an extra, so we have to manage this, so we have to write plus 4. So here we can write 9. And now it becomes the sum of perfect square. So it becomes dt upon 3 square minus t plus 2 the whole square. So it is 1 upon a square minus x square, square root. So it is also sin inverse x. So it becomes sin inverse x. In place of x you can write t plus 2 divided by plus constant term c. In place of t you can write e to the power x. So this is equal to sin inverse e to the power x plus 2 divided by 3 plus constant term c, and this is the final answer. You can see. Now I have reached to the last problem. Here, the number 5, evaluation I is equal to this. First of all, we have to rearrange this question like h. Square root of x upon a cube minus x cube square root of this dx. Because we have to take this expression as a quadratic expression, so we have to write this expression like h. You can see here. A cube, in place of a cube you can write 3 by 2 का whole square. Likewise you can write x to the power 3 by 2 का whole square का square. And this is the square of this. Now let x to the power 3 by 2 is equal to t. And this is number 1. Differentiate with respect to x, we will get 3 by 2 x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1, that is becomes half, and this is dx is equal to dt. So here root x dx is equal to 2 by 3 dt, and this is equation number 2, and this is equation number 1. Now use 1 and 2 in where? In a. What will we get? We get I is equal to integration of, in place of root x dx you can write 2 by 3 dt, and in place of this you can write a to the power 3 by 2 का whole square minus t का square का square. You can write this is equal to 2 by 3 is a constant, so you can take out this constant term outside the sign of integration, and this is equal to dt upon here a to the power 3 by 2 का whole square minus t square का square. And you can see here this is also one of the 9 special integrals, so you can use the direct integral of this integration. So here we can write 2 by 3 sin inverse t upon a to the power 3 by 2 plus constant term c. In place of t you can write the value of t. So what is the value of t? X to the power 3 by 2. So it becomes 2 by 3 sin inverse x to the power 3 by 2 upon a to the power 3 by 2 plus constant term c. Here is the final answer. So hello students, you can see if these type of integrals are given, then first of all you have to substitute some suitable substituents, and then after some steps you will realize that you are in the positions where you can use the one of the 9 special integrals, and which one of the 9 special integral is used there, you can easily use, and then finally get the desired integrals. So thank you for this lecture.